Welcome. The following video tutorial is how to use Zoom on a MacBook. Disclaimer: the following video tutorial was created by the CEPI team, which consists of college students who provided the content based on their exploration/personal knowledge of Zoom. Hence, we are not experts nor licensed professionals. The following video will present the basics of Zoom, and any information that is introduced may be used under the viewer's discretion depending on how your child's teacher uses Zoom. Thank you. This is a quick overview on what is Zoom. Zoom is an online service that allows individuals to connect through video calling. This type of communication has become popular to use for school and work as a way to comply with social distancing regulations. CEPI also uses Zoom to conduct our classes and activities. Now we will show you how to download Zoom on a MacBook. First, you will go to your internet browser. On a MacBook, this will be Safari and/or Google Chrome if you have it installed. You will then type zoom.us in the search bar and press enter. You will then be taken to the Zoom homepage. Next, you will scroll down all the way to the bottom of the homepage. There you will see a black section. This is where you press download. It is at the top of the second section. You will then be taken to the download center of Zoom. Under the section that says Zoom Client for Meetings, you will press the blue highlighted box that says download. Next, go to the top right corner of your screen and click on the icon that shows an arrow in a circle. This is where your downloads are collected. Click on the download for Zoom. A pop-up will come out of your screen and you will click Continue. Make sure to select Install for all users on the computer and press Continue. Lastly, press on Install to download Zoom on your computer. You will need to enter your Apple ID password. Once the installation was successful, press Close and select Keep. The Zoom icon will automatically place on your dock. The dock is located at the bottom of your screen, which shows all your applications available on your computer. How to join a meeting. First, you will click on the Zoom icon located on your dock. If you are a participant, click on the blue icon that says Join Meeting. Once you click on Join a Meeting, a pop-up will then appear that is titled Join Meeting. The first section labeled Meeting ID or Personal Link Name is where you will enter the meeting ID given to you by the host, the person that has invited you to the meeting. The meeting ID is usually 10 digits long. Make sure to only use numbers when entering a meeting ID. The section below is labeled Your Name. This is where you will enter your first and last name or the name you want people to see during the meeting. Right below these two main boxes are 3 options you can choose to select or not to select. Remember my name for future meetings. If you choose this option, whenever you enter a new meeting, your name or the name you typed in the section above will automatically be typed in for you. Don't connect to audio. When you select this option, you are enabling the option of not having your audio automatically connected to the microphone when you join the meeting. Next, you have Turn off my video. By selecting this option, it means that when you enter the Zoom meeting, your camera will be off and nobody in the meeting will be able to see you until you turn it on. Once you have entered and chosen your personal options for the sections above, you can then press Join. Functions inside a Zoom meeting. Now that you are in a Zoom meeting, you will be in charge of certain controls that are visible at the bottom of your screen starting at the left side. To unmute your mic, you will click on the microphone icon at the bottom left corner of your screen. When there is no red flash on the microphone, everyone in the meeting will be able to hear you. If you no longer have anything to say or do not want others to hear your background noise, simply click on the microphone icon again until there is a red slash on the microphone icon and you will now be muted. The next icon next to the microphone is the camera icon. This controls whether your camera is turned on or off. To turn on your camera, press on the camera icon labeled to start video. To turn off your camera, press on the icon labeled start video until it displays the icon with the red slash. Now others will not be able to see you. If you would like to send a message in the chat, click on the bottom icon of your screen that says chat. Once you click on the icon, you can type in your message that you want to send and then press enter on your keyboard. Everyone in the meeting will be able to see your message. You also have the option to send a private message to someone in your meeting. You can do this by clicking on the blue icon that says everyone in the chat box. Now select the person you would like to private message. Lastly, type in your message and press enter on your keyboard. Only the person you selected will be able to see this message. You also have options to make non-verbal reactions. By selecting the reactions icon at the bottom of your screen, different emoticons will pop up at the bottom of your screen. Select any of the displayed ones and the emoticon you select will be shown at the top corner of your personal screen. Everyone in the meeting will be able to see your reaction. Lastly, you have the option to leave the meeting. Once you are ready to exit the meeting, click on the red icon labeled Leave at the bottom right-hand side of your screen. To officially leave the meeting, select the red icon that says Leave Meeting. Thank you for watching this short video on how to download and use Zoom on a MacBook, brought to you by CEPI.